Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my beloved students and viewers, we meet again in Mujari various YouTube channel to learn English step by step. And in this gathering, we are going to talk about the usage of quantifier some and any. We will learn some and any which are used as quantifier or which are used to show or to indicate quantity of things. The first, some. In the sentence, some is mostly used in positive sentences. Some is not used in negative sentences. Then some is used in interrogative sentences to offer something and to make requests. Yeah, and again that some is used in interrogative when someone want to offer something or to ask for something or to make requests. And then some can be followed by uncountable nouns and also by plural countable nouns. The second one, any, any in the sentences, any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Any is not used in positive sentences. Any can be followed by uncountable nouns and plurals countable nouns. And then both some and any can be used without nouns if the nouns have been stated or have been mentioned before. Now, let we look at the examples. Number one, I need some water to drink. I need some water to drink. In this sentence, we use some water because the sentence is in positive. I need some water to drink. And then the second sentence in number one, I don't need any tea. I don't need any tea. In this sentence, we use any tea because the sentence is in negative. And then the examples number 2, I'm looking for some books to read. Yeah, I'm looking for some books to read. In the sentence, we use some books because the sentence is in positive. I'm not looking for any novels. Yeah, we use any novels. We use any in the sentence because the sentence is in negative. And then we look at the examples number 3. It is the example in questions. Did you go to the library to borrow any books? Yeah, as someone, yeah. Did you go to the library to borrow any books? We use any books here because in the form of questions. Yes, I did. Yeah, and then why did you borrow any books? Yeah, why did you borrow any books? We also use any books here, yeah, in the form of questions. Yeah, to ask thing. I borrowed some books to read. I borrowed some books to read. In the sentence, we use some books because the sentence is in positive. And then the example number 4, in these examples, we use some and any without nouns. Yeah, because the noun have been mentioned before. For example, number 4, please look at number 4. Do you have any information to share? The first in this question, we use any information. Yeah, we mention any information to share. Yes, I have some. Yes, I have some here, mean some is used without noun, without information, because information has been mentioned before. And then the next examples, he wants to buy some pens because he doesn't have any. Yeah, he wants to buy some pen because he doesn't have any. Any here is used without nouns because nouns pen has have been stated before. And then the example number 5, just I said in the front that some can be used in interrogative when someone wants to offer something, and if someone make request, the sentence in number 5, do you want some bread to eat? I have some. Oh, sure, thank you. In this sentence, in these questions, is to offer something. Do you want some bread to eat? I have some. Oh, sure, thank you. And then in the second one, will you give me some water? I'm thirsty. Yeah, will you give me some water? I'm thirsty. In the sentence is about request. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Of course, here it is. Yeah, will you give me some water? I'm thirsty. Oh, of course, here it is. Baiklah para siswa sekalian dan juga para permesa, sedikit akan saya beri penjelasan tentang penggunaan penunjuk jumlah yang menggunakan some dan any ini, yang artinya beberapa gitu ya. Yang pertama, some, ya, some is mostly used in positive sentence. Some kebanyakan itu digunakan dalam kalimat positif. Kemudian and some is not used in negative, di kalimat negatif tidak digunakan. Kemudian some is used in interrogative sentences to offer something and to make request. Jadi some ini bisa digunakan di kalimat pertanyaan manakala seseorang itu menawarkan sesuatu kepada orang lain atau membuat permintaan. Dua hal ini yang membolehkan menggunakan some di dalam kalimat pertanyaan. Kemudian some can be followed by uncountable noun and plural countable noun. Jadi some ini dalam kalimat bisa diikuti oleh kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung maupun kata benda yang bisa dihitung tapi dalam bentuk jamak. Kemudian any ini digunakan dalam kalimat negatif dan pertanyaan. Dan ini tidak digunakan. Any is not used in positive sentences. And, di kalimat-kalimat positif ini any tidak digunakan. Kemudian di dalam kalimat any can be followed by uncountable nouns and plural countable noun. Jadi any ini juga bisa digunakan keduanya baik dengan kata benda yang bisa dihitung maupun yang tidak bisa dihitung. Kemudian some dan any ini bisa digunakan tanpa diikuti benda manakala bendanya itu sudah disebutkan di pernyataan atau kalimat sebelumnya. Nah, baik kita lihat beberapa contoh di sini. Ya. Contoh nomor 1, I need some water to drink. Di sini kita gunakan some water karena kalimatnya dalam bentuk positif. Oh, I don't need any tea. Saya tidak membutuhkan teh. Jadi kita gunakan any di sini karena kalimatnya dalam bentuk negatif. Kemudian di nomor 2, I'm looking for some bread. I'm looking for some books to read. Ya, some books di situ kita gunakan some karena kalimatnya dalam bentuk positif. Sedangkan di I'm not looking for any novels kita gunakan any karena kalimatnya dalam bentuk negatif. Kemudian dalam kalimat pertanyaan Di contoh nomor 3, did you go to the library to borrow any books? Kita gunakan any books di situ karena pertanyaannya meminta penjelasan tadi dalam dalam kalimat pertanyaan, maka kita gunakan any books. Ya. Did you go to the library to borrow any books? Yes, I did. Why did you borrow any books? Mengapa meminjam beberapa buku? Kita gunakan any di sini dalam bentuk pertanyaan. I borrowed some books to read. Nah, di sini untuk jawabannya, mengapa kita gunakan some? Karena kalimatnya dalam bentuk positif. Kemudian di contoh nomor 4, do you have any information to share? Ya, kita gunakan any karena di situ dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Yes, I have some. Nah, some-nya di sini kita gunakan tanpa benda, tanpa information, ya, karena informationnya sudah disebutkan sebelumnya. Demikian juga di contoh nomor berikutnya itu, di kalimat berikutnya, he wants to buy some pens. Ya, itu gunakan some pens because he doesn't have any. Nah, any-nya tidak diikuti pens karena pens-nya sudah disebutkan sebelumnya. Kemudian di contoh nomor 5, do you want some bread to eat? Ya, I have some. Sure, thanks. Ini untuk menawarkan sesuatu. Apakah Anda ingin roti untuk dimakan? Saya punya beberapa atau punya sedikit. Sure, thanks. Ya, tentu. Terima kasih. Kemudian di contoh yang terakhir itu, will you give me some water? I'm thirsty. Ini kalimat permintaan, ya, jadi meminta air karena haus. Jadi sekali lagi bahwa some ini bisa digunakan di kalimat pertanyaan hanya untuk menawarkan sesuatu dan untuk kalimat permintaan. Jadi demikian sedikit penjelasan tentang penggunaan some dan any dalam kalimat. Mudah-mudahan sedikit penjelasan ini ada manfaatnya untuk kita semua. Amin.